The crucial problems that the contractors have been facing for a long time is that, the ratio of the raw materials are not precise, which could affect the final product, and the long-term effect of the concrete. Smart concrete mixer using double sprocket chains, as an aid to move the designated raw materials into the conveyor, which then will pour into the mixing drum. It also provides compartments, to retain the quality of the raw materials and ready to be used anytime. By inserting the new innovation of control panel, that controls the smart concrete mixer by setting the ratio needed, and it will give a command to pour the raw materials, until the end of the process. To make a difference and create new innovation, we add imperative technology to enhance the productivity of our smart concrete mixer. We add an external hydraulic lifting to pour the raw materials. Water pump is added in the water tank, to give automatic water pouring by following the specified ratio.